So we're given that term number 1 has a term value of 5, so we can draw this base of 5 circles here. Okay, so that's our first term. Now let me copy this. We know that term number 2 is going to be 9. Okay, so that's adding 4 to the previous term. So our figure can be the 5 from before and just 4 more, like so. Okay, so then we draw another line. Now we have term number 3, which is 13, which means we're adding from 9, 4 again. Okay, so that means we're going to have this original, or the previous term, and all we're doing is going to be adding another chunk of 4, like so. Okay, and then we have term number 4, which is 17, which again we're adding 4. So then we take this, we take that, all right, and then we're going to add another block of 4. So now we want to figure out what the next 3 terms are. So 5, and then 6, and then 7. So what is that going to be? Well, I know that I have to just keep adding 4 to get to the next step. So from 17, we add 4, so we get 21. Here we add 4 again, so we get 25. Here we add 4 to 25, and then we end up getting just 29. So what we can do is copy this, right? So we can copy this, make it a little bit smaller. Then we just have to add one more block of 4. Right? For the 6th term, we copy the previous figure, and we're adding another block of 4, like so. And for the 7th one, we copy the previous 6th figure, and we add yet again another block of 4, like so.